to you.
That's right. So me and my daughter are over here helping a coworker of hers has a 2014 Chevy Cruze. She has a coolant leak. I don't know, you can barely see it. It's down in here. It is the outlet, coolant outlet housing. It's plastic and it's leaking, so we're gonna fix it for her, try to help her the best we can. And I'll show y'all what we do as we go. Okay, so all I've done is remove this air hose from the throttle body. We got the piece where you can see it better. We undid this clip right here. We have 3 bolts that's holding it on. You have to remove this line. You can see now. Okay, so I removed this pipe right here, which made it easier to get to our leak. And there it is. So you have these 3 bolts holding it on. You have a clip right here, a plug that goes in there. You need to undo that. You have this hose. And then we have 3 hoses up here. This one right here, this one, and this one. So that's what we're gonna do now, is work on removing those. Okay, so got all the hoses unhooked. I zip tied this pipe to right there, so it's kind of out of my way, and this harness right here, so it's out of my way. And now all I have to do is get these bolts out. Here, Lex, you wanna hold the camera while I get the bolts out? I already kind of broke these loose off camera. It's a size 8. So they're just,
I suck at recording.
just remove these. First one. Last one down here. You're probably not gonna be able to see this one, so I'll cut it right here and I'll be back. And then when I go to, there you go, so get all the bolts out. And here she has it. The gasket was totally separated from the plastic. Here's our new one over here. As you see, the gasket should be inside. No good no more. Get this new one on. Should be what we gotta do. Alright, so I bought this kit for her off of Amazon. There's information for it right there. It was like 20 some bucks. Not very expensive. It come with the new housing, and all of these extra hoses are new as well. So really good deal. All right, so this hose right here is one of the new ones. Go ahead and put that on there. Pretty cool. They put a little stopper on there. It doesn't relieve the pressure on the clamp until you want it to. You just pop it off. This is another hose that went right there. This is the old one, and I took it off. Here's the new one. I'm gonna put that on there, and then I cleaned it up really good. Get ready to install the new one. All right, so Got the new hose on. We're gonna go ahead and just put this new housing in here. And I'm just gonna finger tight these bolts. You're done. I got them all tight with my finger. I'm just gonna go through and snug them down. Yeah, I was one the wrong way first, Scott. It's okay. We're getting there. Mother and daughter tag team in the car. Guys, you can do it too. Don't be scared. Alright, so we got the new part in there. Hard to see. We got it in there. We got this hose hooked up. This hose hooked up. This little one right here is going on top. I ain't ready to do that yet. So you gotta take your little sensor, plug that back in. Alright, she plugged down. And then gotta plug our O2 sensor back up, hook our pipe here up, and our last coolant hose, and let's add some coolant. Okay, everything's put back together. Pretty simple, guys. We're gonna re-add some coolant to her. Alright, we're just letting the coolant system bleed, watching everything. The fan just cut on, so see how it goes. Alright guys, all done. Here at the Cracker Barrel. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing this lady and getting her car fixed for her. Thanks guys for watching.